So let's just jump in and give 2-point perspective a shot. So we'll start by laying down the vanishing points. One off to this side, and we'll put one more over here off to this side. And we'll draw a horizon line. Okay, so let's just go ahead and draw a 2-point perspective cube. So what we'll want to do is lay down our vertical edge. And that's going to just place our cube on the paper. And then we'll draw the edges of the cube back to the vanishing points. So let's go ahead and get that top right edge there like that. And the bottom edge over here. And we're going to want to draw one edge back to this side. And similarly, top edge over to this vanishing point. Okay, now we're going to want to draw in another vertical edge, and I'm just going to eyeball where I think this looks square, and then draw the edge in. Similarly on this side. So remember, in 2-point perspective, your vertical lines are also vertical. But these horizontal lines are going to converge over to the vanishing points. So now for our cube, we've got a few more edges to fill in. We've got this one over here, which is going to go from this corner back to that vanishing point. And then one more from this corner over to this vanishing point. So just to kind of make this a little more clear, I'll go over the edges with the sign pen. This will kind of highlight the shape. Okay, so there you have it. That's a 2-point perspective cube. And then once again, we can go ahead and offset this cube a little bit and take a look at what an off-centered cube looks like. So now we're going to have quite a bit of what's called foreshortening on this side of the cube, which is basically the way that this face of the cube kind of looks shorter in our drawing, or the perspective is exaggerated. So we're going to pick out where that looks like a cube, maybe something like there. And then this side looks like a cube kind of over there. Make sure that line's vertical. And then we're going to draw our last 2 lines in. So one of them is on this edge. And one of them is an edge like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and trace that shape in. Okay, so those are 2 cubes and 2-point perspective.